What's going on, everybody? This is Joyce here, bringing you another video on how to link Payoneer to ClickBank. Alright, so this video is gonna be short, quite simple, and the reason for this video is because people are actually using ClickBank, but they are from tier 3 countries which they don't have their bank accounts listed on ClickBank, so they are not being able to get paid. They are putting all this hard work to promote ClickBank products, right? Or they want to promote ClickBank products, but their country is not it's not available on ClickBank, and so they can't proceed. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Payoneer account to ClickBank account. All right. Now, if you don't know what Payoneer is an online payment platform, all right, linking customers and businesses together. Okay, so if you don't have a Payoneer account yet, I've already created a video on how to create your Payoneer account. So I will link this video on the card here, so you can actually go and watch this video here, all right, on how to create your Payoneer account. Now, I will assume that you already have your Payoneer account ready. Okay, so this is your ClickBank account, all right? So we need to go to the payment settings. So we go to accounts here, all right? And you have to create an account, and I'm assuming that you already have an account ready. So we click on our account username, all right? A new tab will open, and at the same time, I will go and sign into Payoneer. All right. So I'm doing this in front of you guys. All right. And my laptop is lagging. So let's bear with it. Now we are in the ClickBank dashboard. Okay. Our username dashboard. So what we need to do is to go to account settings. All right. We go to account settings. And I will actually blur some information here because there are some personal information. So I will go, and you need to scroll down, get yourself to payment information, and click on edit. All right, you need to click on edit, and you will see, okay, let me close this. So you will see your payment threshold, payment method, and payment frequency. So in order for us to link our Payoneer to ClickBank, we need to click on direct deposit. Now, you will be asked this question: bank country, bank city, bank name. And this is where Payoneer comes in. So I will put Payoneer and ClickBank like both in the same screen. All right, so let me go to my Payoneer account first. So I'm in my Payoneer account, all right, the balance shows 0, okay? So for that, we need to go to receive and global payment service. Receive global payment service. Here we are going to have our bank accounts, all right? These two have already been approved, all right? I have 3 bank accounts, for example, Japan, Singapore, Canada. I need to request, all right, to request them. But I will choose USA. All right, I will choose USA. So we click on view details on the country and the bank that we want, right? So USA, and okay, now I will put them both in one screen. Right, let me do this, and let me do this. All right, so everything is side by side. So bank country is USA. Right, USA. So we go and United States, right? United States. Bank city is from Bluefield, USA. Okay, so we are going to copy this Bluefield, USA. So copy, and you can actually just enter Bluefield. All right, bank city. It says city. All right. So the payment currency will be USD. Bank name, First Century Bank. So we click on copy here, and we paste it here. All right. Now it says account number. So the account number is here. We click account number here and it says routing. So it says routing code. So we click on copy here and we paste. And it says account type. Account type is checking. Okay, and we save changes. Please make sure your payment information is correct. All right, okay, done. And for any changes to actually occur, you need to actually confirm your ClickBank account. They will actually send you a confirmation email such as this. All right, you need to confirm this, and the changes will be changed. All right, the changes will be confirmed by you. So I hope you actually found value in this video and you understood now how to actually link your Payoneer account to your ClickBank account. So if you found value, do give me a thumbs up, do subscribe, and I actually create videos on affiliate marketing, share my marketing tips, business tips, online business, in order to actually help people escape their 9-to-5 and get a lifestyle of freedom. So if you're interested in such contents, yeah, sure, go ahead, give me a subscribe. So don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. This will actually help me in the algorithm. All right, so see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. This is Joyce Meettoo signing out.